Rain, sleet, and snow covered the southeastern United States on Sunday as a winter storm combining high winds and ice hit the US East Coast over the holiday weekend. The storm will impact the eastern United States on Sunday into Monday, the National Weather Service said. The highest snowfall totals were expected along the spine of the Appalachians as well as across the lower Great Lakes. The most significant icing was expected over the California, with significant impacts to travel across those regions, the NWS said.
Limitation on the ice and the snow when the build up. Try and make it safe as possible. If you can stay in, try and stay in as much as possible. We'll do everything in our best power to keep the roads as clear as possible.
About 74 million people were under winter weather alerts as of Saturday evening, according to NWS. Georgian Governor Brian Kemp tweeted on Sunday that people should avoid non-essential travel in areas impacted by the storm. The governors of Georgia, Virginia, North Carolina, and South Carolina had declared emergencies due to the storm. Airlines cancelled over 2,700 US flights on Sunday due to the storm.